How to export video in MP4 format in CapCut. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export your video in MP4 format using CapCut. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the CapCut. And as you can see, I have already finished editing my video. So it's time to export the final version. And now here, to export the video, simply click on the export button at the top right, and you can also use the shortcut Ctrl+E button, and after that a export pop-up menu will come out. Now here in this menu, simply tap on the name box and enter your video title, and after that you can choose where you want to save the file, and here under the video settings, adjust your resolution and set it to 1080p for high quality, and you can keep the bitrate as recommended, and after that you should select the frame rate as 30 frames per second for a smooth playback. And here in the format, make sure that the format is set to MP4, and once you're done with all that, simply click on the export button shown in the bottom right side of the pop-up menu, and after that your video will start exporting. And now after exporting is complete, you can check the file properties and it should be MP4 format. And that's it. That's how you can export videos in MP format in CapCut. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.